Hello student, myself Digant Sakhiwala. I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. Dear student, there are two names of every compound. One name is called common name and other is the IUPAC name. Like at home our name is different and official name is different. Same way all the compound has two name. So we have to remember both this name because any one name can come in the exam. Okay, common name is somewhat no logical are there, but IUPAC name in that some logic are there because they are formulated according to the some rule. So we will learn one by one. Nomenclature of carbon compound. First is tribal name or common name. These names were given after the source from which the organic compound were first isolated. So these names are given, tribal name or common name, from the source which the organic compound were first isolated. So methane, ethane, propane, this type of names are given, that is given according to the source from which they are isolated. Dear student, at home we are using vinegar, that is called acetic acid, and its IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. Okay, or we can say that nail polish remover, that is called acetone, that is common name. Acetone is common name and IUPAC name is what? Propanon. So okay, so one compound has two names. Second IUPAC name. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry gave the following rule for the naming the various compounds. So we cannot give the name according to our choice. There was the one scientist whose girlfriend name was Barbie, so he gave the one acid name is barbituric acid. Okay, like that we cannot give the name. So after that IUPAC decides some rule, after that we can give the name. So first condition in that in any compound we have to count the number of carbon atom. Okay, like one carbon atom, then you have to remember that is related with methane. Two carbon atom, that is related with ethane. Three carbon atom, that is related with the propane. Four carbon atom means related with the butane. Like that we have to remember till the 6 or 7. 5 is pentane, 6 is hexane, 7 means heptane. Like that we have to remember. After that we have to add the suffix or prefix. Then after we can write the name of the compound when we are adding the functional group. If the number of carbon atom is 3, then the root word is prop. Here you can see that prop related with what? Propane. 3 carbon atom is present, then we have to root word will be the prop. Okay, suppose chlorine is added, then it is a chloropropane, and if the alcohol group is added, then it is called the alcohol is added, then it is called what? Propanol. Number of carbon atom is 4, then we have to switch on butane, and then after we have to add suffix or prefix. By that way we get the name. Presence of a functional group is to be given as a suffix. The last letter E in the name of the compound is deleted and suffix is added. Okay, so first thing we have to remember that presence of functional group is to be given as a suffix. Okay, the last letter of E in the name of the compound is deleted and suffix is added. Like we take one example here. We take example of carboxylic acid or propanoic acid. First we will count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 means what? Propane. COOH group is present, so it is the oic acid. We have to add the suffix oic acid. The name of the compound is what? Propanoic acid. We take another example. Aldehyde. We have to add the suffix al. We have to first count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 means what? Propane, and we have to add the suffix propanol. Okay, its common name is also different, propanaldehyde. Ketone with the 3 carbon atom is named as propanon, that is propane plus on propanon. So I told you that ketone group, in that we have to add the suffix on. First we will count the number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3. So it is called propane. And when COO group is present here, we can see that CO group is present, not COO, CO group is present. Then we have to add the suffix on, so it is a propanon. Its common name is what? Acetone. Propanon is the which name? IUPAC name. Halogen in IUPAC are written as prefix. Compound with the 2 carbon atom and 1 chloro group is named as chloroethane, Ca3CH2Cl. Suppose Ca3CH2Cl is given or C2H5Cl is given, then we have to count the what? Number of carbon atom. 2 carbon atom is present. So we have to directly switch 2 carbon atom means ethane, and here we have to add the prefix when we are giving the IUPAC name chloroethane, but whenever we give the common name then it is called ethyl chloride. Okay. In case of the unsaturated compound, the final N is substituted by ene for alkenes and YNE for the alkynes. So if the double bond or triple bond is present, if double bond is present, then we remove the word ane suffix from the alkane and we add the suffix ene, and when the triple bond is present, then we remove the ane from the alkane and we add the suffix ine. We take one example. Here we can see that 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms, so it is what? Propane. Double bond is present, so now propane, from that we remove the N and we add ene, propene. Same way, when the alkyne in that triple bond is present, then first we will count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon means propane, and we remove the word ane and we add ine, so it is the propyne. Okay, dear student, here we try to focus on more compound. We will learn the common name as well as IUPAC name. Halogen, in that we can say that chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine is present, so they are called chloro, bromo, iodo and fluoro. So first we will count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is propane. Chlorine is present, so we have to add the prefix here, chloropropane, that is the IUPAC name. Common name will be 1, 2, 3 propyl chloride. Okay. Second compound, here we can see that 1, 2, 3 3 carbon propane and bromine is present. So bromine, chlorine, iodine and fluorine is present. Then whenever we have to give the name, then in the prefix we have to add the bromopropane and its common name will be propyl bromide. In the case of the alcohol, suffix all is added. First we will count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon means propane. OH group is present, so it is called the propanol. We have to add the suffix all. Okay, and the common name will be propyl alcohol. Both the name you have to remember. Propyl alcohol is the common name and propanol is the IUPAC name. Aldehyde. Aldehyde, in that we have to remove the suffix N and we have to add the suffix L. First we will count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3 propane, and this group is present, so we will add the suffix enal, propanol. Okay, and common name is propanaldehyde. Ketone, in that we have to remove the suffix N from the alkane and we have to add the suffix on. 1, 2, 3, this is propane. Okay, as well as ketone group is present, CO group is present. Okay, it is at the center, so we will remove N suffix and we add the on, propanon. Its common name is acetone. Carboxylic acid, in that we will add the suffix oic acid, remove the ANEN and we will count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3 propane. We remove the N and we add the oic acid, propanoic acid. If the double bond is present in the alkene, then we have to remove the suffix N from alkane and we have to add the ene. 1, 2, 3. This is called propane. Double bond is present, so it is ene, propene. Triple bond is present, then they are called the alkyne. Suffix we have to add ine. 1, 2, 3 3 carbon atom propane, and triple bond is present, so we are writing what? Ine, propyne. So dear student, you have to take lot of care, as well as you need to do the so much writing practice whenever you are going through the IUPAC name and the common name. So this is all about the today's portion. Thank you so much.